Alright guys, welcome back to my new tutorial about level transition. In this tutorial we are doing some simple transition through levels. Just as a quick example, if I'm going to start this level here, if I'm going through this gate, it should be loading a new level. So I'm traveling through and I'm in a new level, in the level 28 of the project I'm just working on, and the same thing after some reactivation of the gate, you can just go through and you're in the next level. Good. It's very easy to do that. So first of all, we're going to open up our content browser, navigate to the place you want your blueprints. Actually, I have this BP folder, and in here I have my two blueprints. The first blueprint is gate travel Abydos to level 28, and the second one is from level 28 to Abydos, so the other part. I have made a new folder called tutorial, so you can just do that in here. But first, I'm just dragging this up so it's not colliding with our player and we see the actual thing working. So I'm doing the same thing in level 28. So just drag it up and we can go back to Abydos. So where I want just to start. Good. First thing, we have to add just a blueprint. So right click, add blueprint class. This blueprint will be an actor. So the first transition I'm going to call gate travel Abydos to level 28. Open it up. And in the viewport we have to add a collision. So to do that, just on the left side, go to add, type in collision, and you have this box collision. That's fine, that's good. So just add them. And now you have to go to the right side to the details, and under details you have these events here. So we need the event on component begin overlap. So the player just overlap this box collision and then the event has to start. So click on the plus icon and now we can just do here some things. So the blueprint has to know whenever player is going to interact with it. So to do that, we have just drag the other actor out, the pin, and type in here cast to third person character or first person character, whatever you want to use. We are going to use the third person character. And the next thing we have to do is just drag the execution pin out and type in open level by name in brackets. Here is important that the level name has the exact same name in the level you want to travel. So in my case is level 28. I'm just going to copy this value here, this name, and just paste it in here. And that's it. We're going to compile, save. And the last thing we have to do is just to drag and drop it in here. So go to BP, tutorial, and drag it in here. Make the size you want and what you need. So I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, brighter, and on the height. So that's fine, that's good. And obviously we need then the same thing for the other level, but we're going to test this out. So just go in the level, play it. And if I'm just going through now this gate, I should be loaded. I should be traveled to the level 28. And here we are. Obviously in here we haven't any level transition. So if I'm going through, nothing will happen. So we have just to do the same thing again. I'm going to copy this level blueprint and paste it in here. So we have a copy of that. We're going to rename it gate transition level 28 to Abydos. And the only thing we have to change is here the level name. So just go back to your maps, right click on the map and just paste it in here. That's it. Compile, save, go to level 28 or the level you're working on, and just drag and drop it in here. So do the same thing here, just make it bigger, and we can test it out. So if I'm just starting the game in here, if I'm going through the gate now, it should be loading Abydos perfectly. If I'm on Abydos, it should be loading level 28. And that's it, guys. That's how you just create a level transition. For now it's quick and easy. If you need some fast level transition, there is some other transition that you can use for the level streaming, but I think I'm going to do this kind of tutorial later on. So I hope you like this kind of tutorial. If so, leave a like, write a comment. And actually I'm working on 3 new projects, so stay tuned for the next one.